Hello, welcome back to our tutorial. If you missed our last tutorial, get to watch our video on how to import products via a CSV file. On this video, we get to learn how to do a stock take in UZAPOINT. Stock taking is the inventory process of counting or weighing all items in stock. This allows you to regularly monitor the quantity and condition of the items held in an inventory. It therefore helps to increase gross profit, reduce loss, improve control, and reduce waste. UZAPOINT helps you to get the real-time quantity of your items. To check your quantities, go to the Stocks module and click on Quantity. On the Levels tab, you can be able to see the system's expected quantities. On the search bar, you can search for the product of your choice from the list to check its quantity. On the Transactions tab, you can be able to monitor the activities or the events that have taken place to affect the quantity of an item. For example, if you sell a Coke Zero, the event will be made a sale of 2 pieces of Coke Zero. The initial quantity will be the amount before the sale. The amount transacted will be the number of Coke Zeros sold. And the balance will be the remaining stock quantity. For a first-time user in UZAPOINT, after uploading all your products, you need to do an initial stock take. This will be the count of all the items in stock at the time of the system's implementation. The same process is followed when doing a stock take at any time. To do an initial stock take, expand the Stocks module and click on Manage. Go to the Take tab and click on New Stock Take. On the page you're redirected to, there are two sections: the Download Stock Take List and the Upload Stock Take CSV section. On the Download section, this is where we get to generate a list of all the items we want to count. Choose the storage area of the products you're counting. You can choose to do an individual stock take for each storage area or to do one stock take inclusive of all your stores. In my case, I have several stores. I will choose Barista Store to count all the items at the barista counter. On the categories, I will choose drinks, and on the subcategory, I will choose to select all. Click the Download CSV button, and the file you have downloaded should open in Microsoft Excel or any other related program. That is the product code, the product name, the storage area code, and the storage area name. These fields should not be altered. The column headed Counted is where you fill in your counted quantities against the products. I will proceed to fill in my quantities. Once done, save the file and then proceed to upload it. Now go to the Upload Stock Take CSV. Please note that this will replace any previous stock quantity values. Type in the reference code. This is a unique way of identifying the stock take for any future reference. For example, you can write the date when the stock take was taken, and in case you're doing several stock takes on the same day, add a /count at the end of the date. For example, I will put in a date and because it is my first stock take, I can write 01. Select the same store you selected above and choose the date of the stock take. Then on the Upload CSV, choose the Excel file you edited and click on Submit. A list of all the items you have just uploaded will be generated. It shows the counted quantity as the quantity you have uploaded. It also shows the system's expected quantity, and it calculates the variance. Click the Update Stocktake button for the stock levels to be updated. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching, and next we get to learn how to define our stock conversion units in UZAPOINT.